Hey spice lovers, ever wanted fresh spices right from your home kitchen? Well, today I'll show you how to grow common daily use spices at home, even if you have just a balcony or small garden space. So by the end of this video, you will know which spices are easiest to grow, how to plant them, care for them and harvest them for fresh aromatic flavor every day. Now we will say that which are the spices that we can grow every day and they are of regular use too. So first is turmeric, which adds color and flavor to curries and grows from rhizomes. Then ginger, which is commonly used in teas and cooking and even grows from rhizomes. Third up is coriander. Its seeds and leaves are edible, easy to grow in pots. Then cumin and chili peppers, again used from seeds and they can even be grown in the sunny pots. Then it's garlic, which are cloves sprout into bulbs, grow best in rich soil. Then mint, which adds aroma to drinks and dishes, grows fast, but spread can be controlled in pots. And the last up is basil, which is Italian and holy basil varieties, and it is great for flavoring. Now we'll start with 3-4 spices first and then we'll expand our garden gradually. So these are all the commonly used daily cooking, so you will have a fresh flavors at hand. Now we will see that which containers and soil is to be used. So I recommend you use pots or garden beds with good drainage. Spices don't like soggy soil. So mix potting soil with compost for nutrient-rich planting. For turmeric, ginger and garlic, slightly sandy soil works best, and label each pot to avoid confusion. The step 3 would be the planting and germination. So most spices grow from seeds, but turmeric, ginger and garlic grow from rhizomes or cloves. So plant 0.5 to 1 inch deep in well-draining soil, keep soil slightly moist and plant buds upwards, cover lightly with soil and water them gently each and every single day. And then you can place your pots in sunny spot for 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. And for indoors, use south-facing windows or grow lights. The next we will see is how to water, fertilize and maintain those. So water spices regularly but don't overwater, as most daily use spices like coriander, chili and mint need moist soil. So fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks with compost or a balanced organic fertilizer. Prune herbs like mint, basil and coriander to encourage bushy growth. Remove dead leaves and watch for pests. Neem oil or mild soap sprays work well. Now we will see the harvesting part for everyday spices. So harvest your spices when ready. Now we will see the part of leaves. So pick from the top to promote new growth. For chili peppers, pick when fully colored. For turmeric and ginger, dig after 8 to 10 months when leaves are yellow. And for garlic, harvest bulbs when foliage turns brown, as freshly harvested spices taste better and are more aromatic than store-bought. And finally, you have it, your step-by-step guide to growing daily use spices at home. I always say that start small, care for your plants and enjoy fresh flavors every single day. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and comment below which everyday spice will you grow first.